That male fertility is another taboo topic that not many people speak about, especially in our country. Unfortunately, most of the fertility blame, I would say, is put on the woman. I've also heard that determining the sex of a child, whether it's a male or a female, is more dependent on the male sperm than it is on the woman. And in our country, in some societies, they want that beta, you know what I mean? And they keep having these babies till the son is born without realizing it's the father who's genetically, I wouldn't say to be blamed, but just genetically the reason why this is happening.
I guess now the awareness is seeping in and the gender bias is now slowly coming down, and the gender selection, of course, is not permitted in our country.
Right.
But of course, yes, the male is responsible whether the fetus is going to be an XX or an XY, because the Y chromosome comes from him.
Right.
Currently, now we have more educated couples in our clinical practice who do not really want to be gender selective as well.
Right.
So that's a good thing that we see in society today. But yeah, we do see in certain communities that there is a lot of pressure on the woman to have a male child, and which is very difficult. And of course, in India, there is no form of gender selection allowed by any fertility clinics at all to say that they could assist them to have a male child.